It's a big step for woodworkers when they stop making everything square and start incorporating angles into their projects. One huge part of that challenge is setting the angles correctly on your machinery. But that part of the challenge gets easier when you add Woodpeckers' Drill Press Protractor to your toolbox. Woodpeckers' Drill Press Protractor uses a vernier scale with 5-minute graduations to easily lock in any angle you need. The vernier is engraved on both sides, with degrees and minutes on one side and quarter-degree segments on the other. Choose whichever one you prefer. Setting your drill press table is even easier than setting the angle. Just loosen the table angle lock. Put the drill press protractor in the chuck and lock it. Feed the quill until the base of the drill press protractor is contacting the table and align the table to match. Lock the table and you're all set. Getting your table back to square is just as simple. Just set the drill press protractor to 0 and adjust the table to match. For a quick and accurate check, turn the chuck by hand and make sure the clearance is the same all the way around. But don't stop with your drill press. The drill press protractor is perfect for setting your bandsaw table, your table saw miter gauge, and even a bevel gauge for laying out dovetails and other hand-cut joinery. We mill the protractor from stainless steel. And the pivot arm from aircraft-grade aluminum. The arm is then anodized for surface protection. All hardware is also stainless, so you'll enjoy this tool for decades of precision angle work. Like all Woodpeckers products, the Drill Press Protractor is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Precise angle setup for all of your advanced projects. Order your Drill Press Protractor today.